Now go.
It is Friday, June 19, 2020. And these are our current numbers.
I know you don't want to hear this, but the 14-day mandatory quarantine is still in effect. It has been extended until July 31st. Everyone should know this by now that it applies to anyone coming into Hawaii, which includes visitors, returning residents, and people moving to Hawaii. You are not allowed to leave your residence or hotel room for 14 days, and food must be gotten through delivery services. This is not a recommendation. It is a mandatory thing. It's a mandate. It is required. And if you do not do it, you run the risk of being arrested, fined for $5,000, put in jail, have to pay to be released from jail, possible court date, and being sent back home. What a waste of time and money. I personally have better things to do with my time and money, right? I would personally wait until this is all over. Hey, but that's just sensible me. Vacation home renters who are not supposed to be in business at this time are also getting arrested for renting out to people. Some people may have heard about a testing that would allow you to skip the mandatory quarantine. It is being talked about, but is not available at this time. You might have heard this about Alaska, but it's not available in Hawaii at this time. Sorry to all of you who have had to cancel or reschedule your vacation plans. We really appreciate your understanding and patience at this time, and look forward to welcoming all of you back to Hawaii when this is all over. Mahalo nui loa.
Which means thank you very much.
If you want to keep up with the current Hawaii travel situation, I will leave a link down below to our Hawaii State Department of Health website.
The 14-day mandatory quarantine for inter-island travel, which means travel between the Hawaii Island, has been lifted as of June 16. But there are new screening protocols and paperwork to fill out and guidelines to follow.
Whenever going to any buildings, businesses, malls, shopping centers, restaurants, drive-thrus, taxis, shuttles, buses, make sure to wear your mask. When you are able to, periodically wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. If you do not have soap and water, hand sanitize. When we go shopping and we get back to the car, we hand sanitize. When we get home, we wash our hands with soap and water, right?
Many businesses have been given the okay to reopen, still remain closed. This includes many businesses that rely on tourism. Unfortunately, some retail stores and restaurants couldn't survive these current situations and are permanently closing. Bars, movie theaters, and gyms have been given the green light to reopen as of today, June 19th.
There are many places of interest that have reopened, but with limited access, like Kuloa Ranch, Wet and Wild Water Park, Honolulu Zoo, Waimea Valley, Bishop Museum for members only, and most botanical gardens. Iolani Palace and Pearl Harbor have opened today as of June 19th. On the Big Island, Panaeva Rainforest Zoo, Mauna Kea, and Hawaii's Volcano National Park, and on Maui, Haleakala are also open. We have some dates for opening of some other places of interest, such as Hawaiian Railway Society opens on June 20th, Bishop Museum for general public opens on June 26th, Hanauma Bay and Maui Ocean Center will be opening on July 1st. Polynesian Culture Center reopening has been pushed back to September. Other places on Oahu, like Sea Life Park and Diamond Head State Monument, which is the Diamond Head Hike, and on the Big Island, the Imiloa Astronomy Center has not posted a reopening date yet.
Most parks have been open, but access to equipment and facility may be limited. The beaches are open 30 minutes before sunrise to 30 minutes after sunset. Basically, no hanging out at the beach when it's dark.
Mele in Hawaii is this Saturday, June 20th, 2020, 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. This episode will be hosted by Billy V, featuring Ron artist Tavana Animur Garza. You can watch this live event on YouTube or Haku Collective's Facebook, which I'll leave a link down below. Or you can go to hakuhawaii.com and access the links through their website. Don't forget, this is a good opportunity to donate to these music artists who have lost all their performing jobs due to this pandemic. Go to hakuhawaii.com. The link will be down below.
We have a Hawaiian music playlist that you can enjoy. The link is down below. And make sure to use the shuffle option if you want to listen to songs in a different order. Or you can create your own playlist.
Photo Hawaii is sponsored by Molokai Hawaiian music artist Lono. You can go to lonomusic.com. Please check out his website. If you like his music, buy a CD. The link will be down below in the description. You can also check out some of Lono's music videos in the Hawaiian music playlist that we have down below. Thank you, Lono, for letting us use your music.
Please check out Photo Hawaii Travels and Bone Dance channel. The link will be down below.
We hope everybody is enjoying their summer as best as you can. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. If you want to help us out a little bit more, you can check out our Patreon page, and that link will be down below also. Thank you to all the new Patreons and continuing Patreon supporters to Photo Hawaii. We really appreciate all your support. Malama pono,
which means take care.
Ahui ho,
which means till next time.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Thanks everybody. Aloha. I don't know.
Dad, where are you?
Oh, how embarrassing. Oh, we went to Hawaii and never mind the quarantine. We just did all kinds of stuff and then what? Oh, sorry. You're arrested, sir. Your whole family's arrested. And the person who rented out the vacation home to you is arrested also.
The 14-day mandatory...